Today, I'll teach you guys how we guys can change your email address in your Apple ID. First, open up your iPhone setting, and from an iPhone setting at the top, it's going to show you your Apple ID's name, Mice Jake. That's why I'm going to click on it. You need to click on your Apple ID, and over here, you can see this option called name, phone number, and email. Click on that. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to your email changing place. And over here, you can see this option called email and phone number. Right beside that, you can see the edit button. Click on the edit button. Once you click on the edit button at the bottom, you can see the option called add email or phone number. Click on add email or phone number and click on this option called add email address. Now over here, enter your email address. After you enter your email, click on next and a verification code is going to be sent to your email. So go to your email to check the verification code to verify it's you. And as you guys can see, this is my verification code. Now I can copy this verification code and paste it over here. And once enter your verification code, your email will be added over here. Now what you can do is click on edit and remove your old email address. Cause once you click on edit, you can see the minus button appear. Click on the email address you want to remove, and at the side is going to show you delete. Click on delete and click on remove. And just like this, your old email will be removed and your new email will be set on your Apple ID. That is how we guys can change email and Apple ID. Hit the subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time.